Sausages, one of the most popular foods in the world. From breakfast plates to hot dogs at stadiums, they're everywhere. But have you ever thought about how millions of them are made every single day? It's not just grinding meat and stuffing it into a casing. Behind every bite is a massive, high-speed production process that turns raw ingredients into perfectly shaped, identical sausages in just minutes. Giant machines, precise automation, and a carefully controlled formula ensure consistency in taste and texture. Factories churn out thousands every second. But what really happens inside? How do they get that perfect snap when you bite into them? Stay tuned, because what you're about to see might change the way you look at sausages forever. 1. The raw ingredients. What's really inside? Sausages may look simple, but what goes inside them is a carefully controlled mix of ingredients. Factories don't just throw in any kind of meat. They use a blend of pork, beef, chicken, or sometimes even turkey. The goal? To get the perfect balance of flavor and texture. The meat is chosen based on fat content, because too much fat makes the sausage greasy, while too little makes it dry and rubbery. But meat alone isn't enough. Factories add spices and seasonings to create the taste we all love. Salt is the key ingredient. It not only enhances flavor, but also helps preserve the sausage. Then comes pepper, garlic, paprika, and sometimes even sugar, depending on the type of sausage. Some brands have their secret spice mixes, giving their sausages a unique taste. And here's something most people don't know. Sausages often contain ice or water. Sounds strange, right? But this keeps the meat mixture cold during processing and helps blend everything smoothly. Some also include starch or breadcrumbs to improve texture. Factories follow strict recipes, making sure every sausage tastes exactly the same. No surprises, no mistakes, just the same delicious bite every time. But how do they turn these raw ingredients into smooth, flavorful sausages? That's where the real magic begins. 2. High-speed meat processing, from chunks to paste. Now that we have the perfect mix of meat and spices, it's time to turn those raw chunks into a smooth, uniform sausage filling. And this happens at an unbelievable speed. First, massive industrial grinders take whole cuts of meat and break them down into smaller pieces. These machines work like giant food processors, chopping hundreds of kilograms of meat in seconds. But it's not just about grinding, it's about getting the right texture. Some sausages, like bratwurst, stay a little chunky, while hot dogs need to be completely smooth. Once the meat is ground, it moves to a high-powered mixing machine. This is where all the ingredients, spices, salt, ice, and sometimes even a little curing agent are blended together. The ice isn't just for cooling. It helps the mixture stay soft and prevents the meat from getting too sticky. For hot dogs and other fine-textured sausages, the mixture goes through an emulsifier, a machine that blends the meat into a super smooth paste. Think of it like a giant blender, turning solid meat into a thick, creamy mixture. 3. The magic of casings. Natural versus artificial sausages wouldn't be sausages without their casing. That thin, stretchy layer that holds everything together. But did you know there are 2 main types? Some are made from natural animal intestines, while others are created from collagen or even plant-based materials. Natural casings have been used for centuries. They come from cleaned animal intestines, usually from pigs, sheep, or cows. These casings give sausages a classic snap when you bite into them. They're flexible, hold flavors well, and are still used in premium sausages today. But making millions of sausages a day with natural casings? That's not easy. They take time to prepare and vary in size. That's where artificial casings come in. These are made from collagen, a protein found in animal skin and bones, cellulose, a plant-based material, or even plastic for certain types of sausages. Collagen casings are the most popular because they look and feel like natural ones, but are easier to use in high-speed production. In factories, high-tech machines fill thousands of casings in seconds. They measure the exact amount of filling, twist the sausages at lightning speed, and ensure they're all the same size. But we're not done yet. Next, these sausages go through a serious transformation. Cooking, smoking, and chilling are about to take them to the next level. 4. Cooking, smoking, and chilling. The flavor factory. Now that the sausages are stuffed into their casings, they're still raw and pale. This is where the real magic happens. Cooking, smoking, and chilling turn them into the delicious sausages we know. First, they go through massive industrial ovens. These aren't ordinary ovens. They can cook thousands of sausages at the same time, using steam or hot air. The temperature is carefully controlled to make sure the sausages are fully cooked without drying out. Some are cooked at lower temperatures for longer to keep them juicy, while others are quickly heated to lock in moisture. Then comes the smoking process. This is what gives sausages like hot dogs and bratwurst their deep smoky flavor. Factories use real wood chips, like hickory or beechwood, to infuse that classic taste. The sausages pass through large smoking chambers where they absorb the rich, smoky aroma. This step isn't just for flavor, it also helps preserve them, making them last longer. Finally, after cooking and smoking, they go through a rapid chilling process. Cold water showers or air cooling bring the sausages down to the perfect temperature. This stops the cooking process instantly, keeping them fresh and firm. 5. The speed of perfection, cutting, packaging, and quality control. Now that the sausages are cooked and chilled, they're almost ready to hit the shelves. But before that, they must go through one of the most impressive steps in the factory: cutting, packaging, and quality control. First, the sausages move along high-speed conveyor belts, where ultra-sharp blades cut them to the exact size needed. Whether it's bite-sized cocktail sausages or full-length hot dogs, these machines slice through thousands per minute with perfect precision. Some sausages, like links, are twisted and separated, while others are cut into straight pieces. But speed isn't the only priority. Quality control is just as important. Factories use advanced sensors, cameras, and even AI to check every single sausage. These machines scan for imperfections, making sure they are the right shape, color, and size. If something is even slightly off, the sausage is rejected. Some factories even use X-ray machines to detect tiny bone fragments or unwanted materials that humans might miss. Once approved, the sausages move on to packaging. Machines wrap them in airtight plastic or vacuum-sealed packs to keep them fresh. Labels are added, and just like that, thousands of sausages are packed and ready to be shipped. The journey to your plate. The sausages are packed, sealed, and ready to go. And that's the incredible journey of how millions of sausages are made every day. From raw ingredients to your plate, it's a process of speed, precision, and flavor. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing behind-the-scenes videos. Thanks for watching.